Hello lovelies, welcome back to another episode on Jindo's recipes. Today we'll be making stuffed tortilla that is delicious and very yum. In our preheated pan, we'll be adding some olive oil, onions that will simmer for 2 minutes. Once our onions is simmered, we'll be adding spring onions. We'll be stirring to combine. We'll be adding our diced chicken franks. We'll stir to combine. Once heated, our runner beans goes in. We'll be adding our red bell pepper. There again to combine. Green bell pepper. Continue stirring to combine. Yellow bell pepper goes into the mix and we'll stir once again to combine. Our diced carrots goes into the mix. Stirring to combine is very essential when making your meal. Our fish sauce goes in. This will give our recipe a fishy taste. We'll be adding our seasoning powder. Once again, we stir properly to combine our ingredients. Then our smoked and already picked or deboned Titus fish goes in. We stir properly to combine and gives us a lovely stuffing for our tortilla. Another bonus recipe for making stuffed tortilla: onions, simmer for 2 minutes, spring onions, some more spring onions, our chicken franks, yellow bell pepper, we stir, green bell pepper goes in, we stir in red bell pepper. This is a stir fry, so everything will be fried very dry. Our runner beans, carrots goes right in. Beautiful. Our smoked Titus fish already deboned goes right into the mix, and our stir fry is deliciously ready. Yes, we stir all our ingredients at this point to combine very well. Do you love the color? Very healthy. Our seasoning powder, salt to taste, goes right in. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to join the family. Our tortilla, to get it ready, in a preheated pan, we'll be adding our tortilla, making sure that it is heated. Now we'll be putting our tortilla on our plates and we'll be wrapping this to eat and enjoy. Beautiful and very yummy-licious. If you've enjoyed watching this video so far, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Would like for you to be a part of Jindu Recipes family. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Can you see how absolutely delicious and gorgeous and colorful this stuffed tortilla looks? Very yum. I'm sure you're salivating at this point. Thank you for watching our video. Would like to hear your comments about meals that you possibly like us to prepare. Thank you once again for watching. Have a lovely day.